So we're very, very excited to be back in town. Okay, in town, as the Saudis call this place. No? So before we, again, we are so happy to be back in town. And this is, as mentioned, this is really sort of like a homecoming for Jamba. No? Kasi 5 years ago, we were here. So, umuusog lang kami ng konti. Ayan. So, and we first opened our doors back in 2012, but we took a pause. But now we're so glad to be back in town to serve all of our Saudis fans. And this just, we're happy not just because we're back, but we're happy because this opening another store is such a milestone for Jamba as a brand. And having more stores allows us or helps us to fulfill more our mission to making eating better, easier, and fun. So we are able to do that not because we are able to do that because not a lot of people know this, no? Especially because and for those that have not been familiar with the brand, no? Jamba is actually 100% natural. What does that mean? No artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. No? So, and with that, we are pure, simple, and most especially delicious. No? And Jamba is your best partner in your own wellness journey. No? So, to the Jamba team that is here, it's been quite a journey of getting here, no? Of opening our another store. And on behalf of myself, on behalf of the leadership team, we're very thankful for all your efforts in making this happen. And to all our guests here in the South, welcome to Jamba! Okay.